Speech pathology is joining a vast number of professions requiring continual ethics training. Several states now require ethics training for speech pathologists, and requirements are being considered at the national level. This brings some really great questions to mind. Why speech pathology? Out of all the professions that you can name, would you put speech pathology at the top for being unethical? And why now? Do you feel less ethical now than you did last year? What has changed in our national and international environment that has caused speech pathology and many professions to move in this direction? Well, it turns out that there are major advantages to professional development focusing on ethics. The recent international environment has exposed challenges to how a group is perceived in the world. How ethical a group is considered determines how much buy-in they get from other groups, how much they are trusted, and how much they are able to accomplish. There are also economic incentives to being ethically bound, despite the idea to the contrary that people profit from getting away with something. We all know that ASHA is working to increase the number of speech pathologists in the field, and there's a direct correlation between job satisfaction, feeling good about what you do, meaning feeling ethical, and job retention. Take these studies from the field of law as an example. 2/3 of respondents in a survey of California lawyers say they compromise their professionalism as a result of economic pressure. Lawyers in Maryland reported their profession has degenerated so badly that they were often irritable, short-tempered, argumentative, and verbally abusive. Not a direction I think we would be willing to go in speech pathology. So the next question is, can people's ethical behavior be changed? And the answer is a resounding yes. In an extremely intriguing study conducted at some of the country's major universities, student ethical behavior while taking an exam was first challenged and then improved by changing the way that the students felt ethically bound to perform. Come and explore these topics more in depth in this conversation regarding ethical considerations in the field of speech pathology. Ethics doesn't have to be boring. Earn CEUs with this fun and engaging exploration of ethical dilemmas that was presented to an audience of over 500 students and SLPs.